I was driving up my road and I saw something that looked kind of funny. Can you guys see what it is? My farm guys have been working on the road when this dump truck spilled over. It kind of hit a hole and they had the dump up and it went over on its side, like you can see. It hit the dozer and really twisted up pretty bad. I was really happy that nobody was hurt. That would have been absolutely awful, but it just sucks that the dump truck is pretty broken now. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. The dump box got pretty twisted due to the way it's laying. You can see it's kind of being pulled over by the engine. And we got it cleaned out here, but probably the dump box will be a total loss is my guess. Although maybe we can put a fifth wheel on the truck and use it to haul hay around the fields and that sort of thing. Here we're clearing some of those rock and dirt out of the load out of there so that we can try and stand it back upright. You can see how that twist on down the line. It was pretty bad. Yeah. We decided to bring up the excavator to clear out the rest of the rock. You can see the sun's about to go down, so we worked a little bit more and then called it quits. It just got too dark, but you can see quite a bit of twist there in the frame, but it didn't stick that way, fortunately. And here we are the next day getting ready to try and attempt to turn it back over. We have a safety line there attached to the stagger to keep it from falling over further. I'm driving the excavator and I'm pulling it back up, and we were able to pull it up and get it straightened out again. See here, I'm using the excavator to attempt to push the dump bed back in, but the boom won't go all the way in. You can see it's stuck out now. It appears the frame and the engine and everything are perfectly fine. It's just the dump box is twisted and broken and is a loss. So probably out that. Might have to get a different truck or a belly dump or something, but we'll see.